Okay guys, so I need your help. I'm not a mechanic and I've been working on this Jeep Latitude 2015 for a long time. I just spent $200 on the new battery. It was an upgrade, but it was $200. I did the other the oil changes, the crankshaft sensor, redid the valve covers. It was a nightmare. I have a problem with Jeeps breaking down, but not Toyotas. Anyway, so I want to go start it, and all I get is whining. Can you hear that? Anyway, so if you guys got any suggestions, I'd appreciate it, because this is, I hope it's not a starter. I checked the relays. Yeah, I appreciate your help.